Hi, this is Baggedy with Global Call Forwarding. Are you looking for a way to improve the efficiency of your outbound calling efforts? If so, a sales dollar may be the solution for you. In this video, we'll cover what a sales dollar is, different types available, their benefits, and more. So let's get started. A sales dollar, also known as a softphone or web dollar, is an outbound calling tool that enables users to make calls over an IP network. Most providers offer this software as a desktop or mobile app, a browser extension, or an integration. These dialers typically allow multiple agents to place calls simultaneously using the same phone line and outgoing caller ID. Businesses and call centers typically use these web dialers for outreach purposes, such as sales, telemarketing, market research, feedback collection, scheduling, customer service tasks, and much more. This is a preferred tool because it increases the efficiency of your outbound efforts by helping reps make more calls in less time. Now, it's important to note that every dollar is different depending on what service you select. And when researching sales dollars, you'll find many types available, each with different names, capabilities, and use cases. Some examples include auto dialers, list-based dialers, manual or agent-assisted dialers, progressive dialers, predicted dialers, click-to-call, and so on. Instead of going through each and every one of these options individually, let's break them down into three main types: manual, power, and predictive dialers. With manual or agent-assisted dialers, agents must place calls manually, either by dialing in the number or calling from a pre-saved contact list. Thankfully, most manual dialers enable teams to call contacts with just one click, saving time by streamlining the dialing process. And since the dialer is cloud-based, reps can make and receive calls from any location or device. As such, it's a great option for remote and distributed teams looking for an affordable and flexible solution. All of this offers your agents complete control when and whom to call. Next, we have power dialers. This technology automates the calling process by sequentially dialing numbers on your team's call list. The automated process moves on to the next number only when the rep is ready. This type of sales dialer is best for warm calling campaigns, such as fundraising, event promotions, and surveying, where less time is needed between calls for personalization or note-taking. And finally, we have predictive or auto dialers that automatically dial multiple numbers on call lists and transfer answered calls to available agents. These dialers also intelligently predict which rep is ready to answer the next call, meaning less time is wasted and more call connections are made. This type of sales dialer is best suited for time-sensitive campaigns with large calling lists, cold calling, lead generation, and so on. Now, keep in mind that using automated and predictive dialers may result in your business phone number being marked as spam. Learn more about that in our article linked below. So, why would your number be flagged? This is because these sales dialers place several calls in a short time frame, which can lead to your number being marked as spam risk. At the same time, predictive dialers include a high chance of abandoned calls, since many calls go unanswered or ditched. So, this solution might not be for you if you're trying to improve conversion rates. If you decide that automation is the way to go, then remember to always start slow with predictive dialers and always use sound judgment when placing calls. It's easy to see how a tool like this can simplify your outbound efforts, but what specific benefits does a sales dialer offer? To start, it streamlines the calling process by allowing reps to dial numbers faster. And since outbound dialers typically integrate with other business applications, there's no need for employees to switch between apps or devices to place calls. This means your teams avoid unnecessary workflow disruptions and reduce idle time, leading to a more efficient call process. By optimizing your team's time, agents can connect with more prospects and customers daily. And they can use the extra time that they save to address other priority tasks and nurture leads. On top of that, many sales dialers include a caller ID management feature, which allows you to customize your outbound caller ID. Instead of a default number, you can display a number your customers recognize, increasing response rates. Lastly, Sales dollars help minimize errors caused by completing repetitive tasks, such as dialing the wrong number. This means your teams avoid unnecessary workflow disruptions, allowing them to focus on driving conversions and closing sales. Since most dollars are cloud-based, all you need to get started is a stable internet connection, a microphone or headset, and a reliable VoIP provider offering an outbound dialer. Once you've signed up for the service, choose your deployment method. Depending on the provider, your agents may log into the software through a web extension, an application, or integrate these dollars within your CRM. And that's it. Want to learn more about sales and web dollars? Visit globalcallforwarding.com and ask our experts how GCF softphone works.